How's everybody doing? Hey, Spike here. I'm working on a drill press table for my table here, so I can put some vacuum in it and suck up the dust when I'm drilling and take the chips away. So I'm going to put dust collection inside the table, down in here and along the back fence. And then I got me some compartments here to put my router bits and drill bits, and then a drill index in right here. I'm going to leave it out toward the front right there, and then all this is going to be for the chuck right here. We'll have a turning doodad right there. We'll make it all work. So hey, follow along. That's coming next. Drill press table. Yep, gotta have one so I don't scratch up the retard when I'm working on it. And y'all can see I got plenty of room to add 3 inches of table. So hey, we're gonna do it. Let's get it. That'll be good.